Hello, my friend. Can you hear that? Quiet. Only my dear partner Rago panting. Yeah, we're out in the forest again. We are now in one of the favorite areas. I think I probably always say that because I usually choose to walk in a favorite area when I'm going to make a YouTube video. Yeah, so this is a really nice area. Yeah, it's really nice here, beautiful area. I'm going to try to find the trail. I really like these small ponds and the grass around the pond. It's always very nice now in the autumn. Feel almost like what I think the prairie grass looks like, you know. But this is not prairie. This is marsh. You can probably hear my footsteps in the marsh. It's like swoop, swoop. It's been a really dry summer, so we've had, well, I mean, the weather has been lovely, of course, but I think it's a bit of a problem now with the stores of water up in the mountains for the hydroelectric power plants. They are almost empty, so we need a lot of rain. Did you see, Daddy? So hopefully we'll have rain. It's strange to say that. I found the trail again. Back on track. Rago. Rago has found something interesting. Coughing, darling. Just waited a little while in order for a plane to pass, so that I could film the view here without any sound pollution. But here comes a helicopter instead, and it's turning this way, coming straight for us. Don't know what they're doing. Circling, obviously. Just circling there. Coming for another round. I think I'm not going to be able to film the view without sound pollution. Maybe they're looking for someone. Oh no, now he's heading north. Okay. Well, anyway, here is a very beautiful view where you can see the small city of Lillestrøm and the valley that I live in. And walking a little bit further, here is my lake. I call it my lake. Lake trout. And also, this is where the profile picture for my channel was taken. With that tall I seem to have gotten all my English. The tall pine tree. A tall pine tree. It's a lovely view, I think. So I thought I'd just stop or end the video here. Rago is not cooperating. I just want to go out on this marsh, Rago, because it's a lovely view and I want to end with a lovely view of the little pond. Look, so beautiful. I'm here on the marsh. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day. Bye.